Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
So it's Vlogmas day 17. Oh, my dog is just going crazy, if you can hear him. Oh, look at my cutie little snoring dog. Well, yeah, I wasn't actually snoring last night. We did once, but I thought, wouldn't it be cool to have a snoring royalty-free sound effect? So I did actually add that. And it sounded so real when I edited it earlier. So I thought I'd give you a further update. I'll try and be as quick as I can with it. The builders are here. They arrived about 10ish, and I've just been so busy, but it's been time consuming stuff that I feel like I haven't got very far. Well, first of all, I've actually managed to ice all 4 Christmas cakes, so all the Christmas cakes are totally done. I'm so pleased. So I've already filmed my pasting table full of Christmassy things in the hamper. Please do not collapse on me. That would be gutting. But some of the Christmas cakes are in another room just to be safe. And I've been on hold to eBay for 2.5 hours, believe it or not. It's a very long story, but I needed them to help me with a couple of issues, and I'd already spoken to eBay live chat. There weren't any help. So I thought, right, well, I'll just call you. I'm not accepting this. And I was on hold for so long that I had to just have my headphones, take my phone and headphones with me to the chip shop to go and get the builders some food. In fact, a bit sneaky. I've managed to eat half of a mini fish cake and chips. So I'm very pleased with that. Itchy nose. Ow. Boy, what are you doing? And so yeah, I actually now need to package some stuff, and it's like 3 o'clock. That's just insane. So yeah, I need to do a few hampery things. Yeah, I don't. I've been wondering this for a while. I don't know if I'll be able to keep vlogging on a daily basis. It's been very cool to do it during Christmas, and I'm really pleased and proud of myself that I've managed to do it through the good times and the bad times. I didn't want to disappoint, and I wanted to try and film the real things as well. And so yeah, so I've got to do a few things now, but I just thought I just wanted to say hi, and I'll probably finish this vlog with, he's getting lots of stroogies. I'll probably finish this vlog with just some of the builder progress. The base has some breeze blocks in. I don't think he'll be able to put the fill in the base today. It may even be the new year. And the other exciting thing is we get to go to see our relatives at the weekend and actually exchange our gifts. Well, give all my hampery things away. We don't know whether we're going out for a meal yet or going to this pub quiz. I just don't think we've got a chance to do any of, well, I just don't know. But I'm going to film whatever I can, and it's going to be exciting. And hopefully I'll get some really cool footage of Doncaster and the history, like where I used to live and things like that. I can see myself now. I've got bags under my eyes, so I do have some weak, achy muscles, but that is about it. And so I'm feeling on track, and I managed to eat all of my meals yesterday. That was pretty cool. but I did have to select carefully. So, oh, you Christmassy doggy, give a cuddle. Cuddles! Come on, you can cuddle. I know you can cuddle. Show everybody what you can do. Cuddles! Cuddles, not roll over. Let's try again. Here, boy. Cuddles! Oh, we trained him to do cuddles. Love you, doggy. Anyway, I will see you later, and I will film a little bit and then start editing it. So, Merry Christmas, everyone, and yeah, just 2 days left to go for the week. Pretty damn cool. Say bye, Hans. Bye, everybody. If that was good enough. Bye. So there you go. We have a double wall now with breeze blocks in it. Some of the rubble has disappeared. There you go. So that's an improvement. I think this is probably going to be it for the year. So I can't wait to film even more. And then my garage, the roof, if you can see, well, we've had a new roof, but those top bricks, they have to go. And my dad is actually building me a brand new door for that because he's a timber merchant. So yeah, can't wait. Oh, and I've done it again, finished it, and realised it's very annoying when, I don't know if you've experienced this much, but Hans knows that the builders are outside, and when they come in, he loves them, and he's all up for cuddles and things, but then he'll see, when the doors close, and he's actually seen them work outside, he won't shut up barking at them, telling them off, like, get off my property, I know you, but get off. And I've got to keep locking him in the bathroom as like a naughty room for a little bit, and especially when I open the door to make teas and things, the back door to make teas, he can't go outside for 2 days now because the brickwork has to set. So yeah, it's just a very noisy household, and if you didn't know, he is mad for tennis balls. What can you do? And catch! Yeah, hopefully I got that. Yay. Give! 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 He doesn't like giving them back. And catch! Oh, yay! Good boy! Come on, don't be greedy. And fetch! Yay! Right, I'm definitely going by. I'm filming my new brick wall. Yeah, because it did look it did look funny before, didn't it? Oh, I've got to be careful now driving in.
Don't hit the pillar.
Yeah.